Hi everyone, this is the bearing and distances. That is the topic, okay, I am into right now. My aim is to start from basic and simple questions, then before entering into technical one, all right? And it is starting from these basic questions and simple questions that will enable you to understand it from scratch. I am now taking it step by step, all right? Look at this simple question on the board which says the bearing of A from B is 65 degrees. These are the simple question and the basic one which you need to know because these terms will now be contained in technical questions you will see on this channel in future time, all right? So while you understand these basic terms, it will enable you now to, when you see technical question, you will now be solving it using the basic and simple questions I have given to you on this channel, all right? Now, look at it. The bearing of A from B is 0.65 degrees, all right? So we are talking about bearing of A from B, meaning that the base is B. It means that the starting point is B. It means that where A takes up is from B, okay? Because it said that the bearing of A is from B. Now, the first thing you have to do now is to put down the takeoff point with 4 cardinal points, all right? Here, north, here, east, west, and south. And remember, I told you that we always start from north side and move clockwise direction in anything concerning the bearing and angle we are treating today. Now, since the bearing of A from B is 65 degrees, it means that A takes off from, if we start from the north and move clockwise direction to get 65 degrees, remember that from here to here is 90 degrees. From here to here is 90, from here to here is 90, from here to here is 90, making up 360 degrees. Now, if we are now looking for 65 degrees, it means that it falls here, all right? It falls in this first place. And we use our imagination since we are sketching that the angle is more than half because half of 90 degrees from here to here is 45. Now, half of it is 45. That means while moving here, it passes half up to extra more 15. That is 65 degrees. Let's say that it moves from here. A takes up from this angle, which is 0.65 degrees, all right? It takes off from this point and move in this direction. So that is where you will now find A from here. Maybe A is at this point right now. You know, we use 4 cardinal points to represent anything we are doing with bearing right here. Now, since we assume that A is here right now, while it takes off from B, remember that here is our base B. Now, coming to this place, we now find another 4 cardinal points for A, which here is a point. From the point, you now move a line representing north and south, and move another line from that point, all intersected here. Here is west and here is east. And this side is now our base A. Okay, so this is how to represent this anywhere you see that, all right? This is how to represent it, okay, in drawing. So the bearing of this A from B, the bearing of this A from B is this kind of drawing. That is what they expected us to do here, all right? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe or follow, all right? Comment, share, and like the video. Thank you so much.